Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, this video is on the Zontes 310M, changing the gas and oil separator. Normally on motorbikes you'll find that the crankcase, three of the pipes come down the bottom of the engine and you get gas, which turns into liquid, and you get crankcase oil that comes up through kickback and goes into a separate pipe. On this particular model, on the Zontes 310M, there's a gas and oil separator tank. It's quite a big tank, so I don't think you'd ever have to change it. But obviously, the Zontes people want you to know how to do it, how the dealers how to do it if they have to change the gas and oil separator. Because the actual gas and oil separator is a tank unit, which is plastic, and then it goes as a breather pipe into the air filter location box. This is how to do that. It's basically a training video on how to actually do the actual pipe. So please enjoy. Look, I don't think you'd ever have to do it, Steve, if you're watching this video. But it just shows you how to take certain panels off to get to a certain part of the engine anyway. So it's good to watch. Please like and subscribe the videos. If you haven't subscribed, I can't even say subscribed already, then please do so. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed. Lots of videos still to come, etc. I'll just keep you informed of all the new developments as they happen. This is Mad Mick. I'm going to sign up and leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. We're getting down to the gas separator in a second. Thank you. Goodbye for now. I'm going to leave you now with some old rhythm and blues music for you to listen to while you watch the rest of the video.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, you, baby, so I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me